Little Light Studio.
Hey little friends, come along in our fruit garden, sing a song. ABC with fruits we'll play, learn and dance the garden way. A is for apricot, soft like the sun. B is for blueberry, rolling with fun. C is for coconut, clap, clap, clap. D is for dragon fruit, wearing a cap. E is for egg fruit, yellow surprise. F is for feijoa, twinkle in eyes. G is for guava, green and bright. H is for huckleberry, tiny bite. I is for ice, apple, cool and sweet. J is for jackfruit, so big in size. K is for kumquat, little round ball. L is for lychee, favorite of all. M is for mango, golden delight. N is for Nance fruit, golden and light. O is for olive, shiny and small. P is for persimmon, autumn's call. Q is for plum, tart and red. R is for rambutan, funny head. S is for sapodina, sugary taste. T is for tamarillo, don't let it waste. U is for ugly, berry so rare. V is for valencia, orange, juicy delight. W is watermelon, green and round. X is for xigua, summer delight. Y is for yumberry, juicy and fun. Z is for sisyphus, we're almost done. Now we sang our ABC, fruits and friends in harmony. Clap your hands and dance with cheer.